French nail tutorial. So you'll start by applying your primer. I've already done my tips and my prep in a previous video. So then I go in with my primer, which is Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'll use 2 coats of that. Then I'll go in with the bead for the smile line. Now, it might do this in 2 bead, I might do it in 1. It really depends on the nail I'm working on. I will use the tip of the brush to form that smile at the top. And I will try and make sure that as crisp as possible before I have to go in with the hand file. And I always do file in that smile line just to make sure it's really, really crisp when I add my white. As I'm going along, I do compare the nails to the one next to it so I can ensure they're as uniform as possible. Then go in with the white. I actually show you 2 methods here. The first one, I place the bead on and brush it back over the smile line. And in the second bead, in a moment, you'll see that I actually place it up and I push it upwards with the brush. Either works. It's really whatever feels most comfortable to you. But I just wanted to show you both of the ways that I'll do it, depending on the nail. Also really important, I always try and take the white or whatever colour I'm using for the French tip over the pink. You'll find when you file in with your hand file or your e-file, it looks a lot smoother and a lot more flush, and you won't have any patches where it's missing. Then, as I say, I'll go in with an e-file. This is a 5-in-1 course bit from Willow Nail Academy on Instagram. And then I will just try and reduce as much bulk as possible with that e-file. Then after that, hand file, top coat, and you're done. I hope that helps. Thank you.